What's up, YouTube? Gonna get the Z tires and rims mounted today. So I got some new tires and wheels for the Z, the Battle Z. They look pretty cool, so I'm excited to get them mounted and put them on the car, even though I can't really put the car on the ground, but it's still cool. And I'm also, today I'm gonna work on those coolers again because I looked at a few things. I wanna do different. I kinda looked at some stuff online to see what I can and can't do and what other people are doing. So I think I'm gonna reroute my lines different and mount the coolers different. So we'll dive into that, but right now I'm on a tire shop. I'm on my way to the tire shop. The things look sick, man. I like them. I like them a lot. The rears are cool too because they have like a deeper dish to them. They sit back farther. It's a wider rim, but yeah, I like these. These will work out great with the black rat. Oh, and I really like the way these Kendas look. They look really cool, really aggressive. Alright, so I went about this the entire wrong way in the last video. This is my bracket. I actually painted it black, so it's a little more clean. But I was trying to mount it somewhere in here, up in here. That's why I cut holes for the fittings on the cooler. But what I should have done is mount it down here on the bottom, where there's already some mounting holes or places I can drill into, and make it square like that, and set the coolers on top. Let me grab a cooler. So set the bracket up like this somewhere and put the cooler on it down here, and I can still mount it to the bracket, and that eliminates all that forward angle from the lines, so I'll have more room. So I can actually mount this bracket up, make lines now, because I got a better solution to my problem. And another thing too, as well as this hole, I'm going to use my body saw, and I'm going to try to cut that real far out, because there's really nothing in here that I need. I can cut this whole deal out, really. Yeah, this whole triangle can cut out, and that should be plenty right here. This whole triangle should cut out, and that should be plenty of room for all those lines and fittings to go through. So as far as this stuff, then I can mount this somewhere over here out of the way with my 45s coming up, and I can run both them lines through there, and vice versa. I can run my oil cooler lines down to there. So way better solution. Like I said, that's a way better solution than what I was doing. What I was doing was going to be just make it more difficult on myself. So I had to step back and take a look at it. And sometimes you got to do that with cars. Can't get in a rush, because then, like, again, yesterday I didn't want to waste materials. I know from previous experiences that I would have made a bunch of lines that wasn't going to work. So for now, I think we're going to go ahead and mount that bracket up how it needs to be mounted, and figure out a better route for the power steering lines. Now the oil cooler lines are gonna have to wait, because I'm waiting on a fitting to come, and it should be here tomorrow. So if I can work on the car tomorrow, then I'll make another video, but I'm not entirely sure if I'm gonna have time. So I'll just gonna make a quick video today, just busting them coolers out and kind of getting that better mounted than what it was, because like I said, it was not gonna be good. So let's get to it. Alright, so now I'm going to body saw a hole in here, and I think I might try to relocate that real quick. So I'm cutting the video here. That's about it. These videos have been crazy long, so hopefully this one turns out to be short. I can't do anything with the oil cooler till I get that part for tomorrow. Once I get that part for tomorrow, I'll probably do those oil lines and kind of get that stuff just wrapped up and out of the way. So, peace.